Now we will learn how to construct a triangle when three of its sides given. We will use only a ruler and compass and a pencil to draw this. For example, we are given an instruction: construct a triangle of sides 8 cm, 7 cm and 6 cm. The first thing we will do is that we will draw the sides 8 cm, 7 cm and 6 centimeter. At first, you will draw a large line. You will take your compass and take the measurement of 8 centimeter. Put its pin here and draw an arc so that it crosses the line segment at the point here. We name this point as A, this point is B. Again, take the measurement 7 cm on your compass and from point A draw an arc of 7 cm like this. Next, take the radius as 6 cm on your compass. Put the compass pin at B and draw an arc of radius 6 cm so that these two arcs intersect at this point and name this point as C. Join AC and join BC. Therefore, triangle ABC is drawn, in which AB is 8 cm, AC is 7 cm and BC is 6 cm. This is a basic drawing. You need to practice to master on this drawing.